ChatGPT hacks and tricks. There are many hacks and tricks in ChatGPT that you may not know about. So I wrote everything in a text for you to better understand. So these are simple and powerful hacks and tricks for ChatGPT. Number 1, the act as trick. Tell ChatGPT who to be. For example, act as a relationship expert. And then ask him how to reply as a relationship expert. This gives a way better results than normal prompts. I tried it and it really works. Let's go to number 2. The fix my English command. Paste anything and say, fix this, keep my style. It corrects your grammar but keeps your tone. Let's go to number 3. The short, medium, long trick. Ask, give me 3 variations, short, medium, and long. It's perfect for scripts, captions, and titles. Let's go to number 4. The give me options hack. Always ask ChatGPT for multiple ideas. Give me 10 titles. You'll get better results than a single answer. I'm always using it when I need a title for my YouTube videos. Let's go to 5. The rewrite these 3 ways tricks. Use this for thumbnails, hooks, intros. Rewrite these 3 ways. More viral, more simple, more aggressive. Let's go to number 6. The example first hack. ChatGPT loads instantly if you show an example. Example, this is my style. And paste. Now write something similar. Let's go to number 7. The break it down trick. If something is too complex, say break it down like I'm 12. Super clean explanations. Let's go to number 8. The make it short command. Any big paragraph, say shorten it. Keep only the punch. Number 9. The compare anything hack. For videos like this one, compare ChatGPT with Gemini in 5 bullet points. Let's go to the last one. The content factory trick. Tell ChatGPT, turn this topic into a YouTube title, a thumbnail text, a description, 10 hashtags, 3 hooks. This gives one prompt, full content package. These are the 10 ChatGPT hacks and tricks, which are simple and powerful. Thank you for watching.